Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Learning to use a TCL flip phone is easy and straightforward. First, locate the power button. On most models, it is the red end call key. Press and hold it until the screen lights up. To charge the device, plug the cable into the port on the side. The battery icon shows your power level. Use the large square button in the middle to navigate. This is the directional pad. Press up, down, left, or right to move through the menu. Press the center button to select an item. To make a phone call, open the flip cover and type the number using the keypad. Press the green button to start the call. Press the red button once to end it. For texting, go to the Messages app. Type your words using the number keys. Press a key multiple times to get the right letter. Use the volume keys on the side to adjust the sound. You can find more tools in the settings menu. Look for the gear icon to change your ringtone or display brightness. The back button helps you return to the previous screen. If you need to take a photo, find the camera app in the menu. Use the center button to snap a picture. To view your photos, go to the Gallery app. This phone is designed for simple communication. You can also set alarms or use the calculator. Keep the flip closed when you are not using it to save battery. These steps cover all the basic functions you need to stay connected with your friends and family every single day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.